Hold on to your seats, folks, because Samsung just unleashed the jaw-dropping Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the mind-blowing Galaxy Z Flip 5 on the world. These futuristic marvels have taken the tech scene by storm, and trust me, Samsung is going all in on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's the belle of the ball. Let's talk about that larger-than-life cover display on the Z Flip 5. Hands-free photos and selfies have never been this epic. With its ability to fold halfway through, you get a sneak peek on the cover screen. And now, with the Z Flip 5's incredibly larger surface area, you'll be capturing moments like a pro. Oh, but wait. The Z Flip 5 has an entirely new hinge. No gaps, no nonsense. Samsung took it to a whole new level with this sleek design, and they weren't kidding when they said sexy phone. Feast your eyes on this beauty, and you'll never look back. Now some naysayers have tried to criticize the folder-shaped cover display, but come on, folks. Once you hold the Z Flip 5 in your hands, there's no denying its allure. It's like staring into the future of smartphones. And that all-black bezel around the cover display, losing sophistication and elegance, it's like having a mini mirror ready for your makeup and hair checks on the fly. I know flip-style foldables might not be everyone's taste, but even the toughest critics can't deny the charm of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's got that wow factor that'll leave you spellbound. And let me tell you a secret. Those old Galaxy Z Flip models got nothing on this masterpiece. Ready to jump into the foldable frenzy? Head to a store right now and prepare to be blown away. And don't forget, ordering on Samsung's website comes with some incredible pre-order offers, instant exchange credit, early delivery, and even a storage upgrade, all for no extra cost. Plus, you get 4 more sizzling color options to choose from, making it impossible to resist. So are you ready to embrace the future with the Galaxy Z Flip 5? Don't miss your chance to own this cutting-edge beauty. It's a smartphone experience like no other. Get ready to flip, fold, and dazzle the world with Samsung's revolutionary Galaxy Z Flip 5.